Casino inside the cruise. Sa? Next floor? Oh, piggy. Okay, let's go. No. Oh, yeah, pwede siguro yan. Going upstairs. Okay, let's go, Jules. What is it? So, this is 4. Oh. Is it 5? Huh? Huh? 5th? Saan ka lalabas? Doon, sa kabila.
Yan, ito, mga deck na itong sasama.
Oh, malamig dito. Oh, push to open. Ano ba ito? Ayaw. Oh, doon sa kabila. Ito ba yung sinasabi mo? Oh, another casino here. Oh, so paano lalabas? Ayun. Yeah, that's the exit. Right here. Oh, another casino. Oh no. Yeah, it's right there. Tapos ha?
May tap, ayun o.
Oo.
Itatambay mo sa taas, maganda pa dito.
Yeah. Oh, mabilis. Mabilis, oh.
Ganda pa dito sa amin, lalo na sa gabi.
Oo.
Sarap na to.
Ayan, oh. We're going this way, right? Oh, right. Okay. Here you go, guys. This is our ship there. Yan. Ha? This is the other side there. Haba, oh. So we're going that side. Yan. Bilis, oh. Yan ang laot. So nasa 5 5.
Deck siya sa labas.
Oo, may deck siya, oh. Oo. May deck, pwede ka lumabas.
Si May guys kaya kumuha dito dahil pangimahan lang gusto niya eh.
Oo.
Dito pang apatan na siguro yan,
Tatlo, apatan. Oh, ayun ba yun? Ay, iba rin ang destination niya siguro yun. Diba? Ba't iba yung direction niya? Oh. Iba rin yun. Oh, merong ibang ship din over there. Hindi kalayuan namin. Yan. Alright. Yan.
Sakay na lang sa mga ganito papasero mo sabi.
Oo. Ganito ba yung papasero din?
Hindi kayo sa maganda. Ganito.
Oo, ganito. Hindi ganito kaganda na yung facility niya. Ito kasi pang cross talaga to eh. Para malibang yung mga pasero. Yun eh, basta Oo. Taas, oh. Nasa 5th floor kami. 5th, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 floor. Oh, it's very huge building. Yeah, haba, oh. Parang ano man, parang 1 kilometro ito. Oh, 1 kilometro ang layo niya. Mula doon, oh. Oh, hanggang dito. Oh, nasa bandang gitna kami, oh. Man, mga about 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer.
Well, a very good evening, Carnival Magic family. This is Zach, the cruise director. First of all, I want to give a big shout out to everybody who was out there for the big sailaway party. That was awesome. Let's keep that same energy going all cruise long. In fact, let's keep it going tonight. 345 at the front of the ship for the Welcome Aboard show. Join myself, your fun squad, and your team as we get ready for a playlist production shows. Your singers and dancers are going to be H folks, and of course we're going to make some of you entertainment VIPs for the rest of the cruise. Don't miss out.
So ito yung nasa deck, outside deck ng 5th floor.
The Welcome Aboard show, which is going to be followed by the Rocket Promenade Adventure. That is right after your Welcome Aboard bingo session, 8:30 tonight, folks. 7:45 you'll be able to get your cards in the main
See how it looks mamayang gabi.
We're giving away some cash prizes, internet packages, wine packages, and free bingo for the rest of the cruise for one lucky winner out there. So come on down, test your luck, put it to the test with your amazing team. 7:45, get your cards once again.
Alright.
And at 8:30, the Welcome Aboard bingo session. We got plenty more going on all around the ship. We got our Guess That Song 90s trivia happening, and of course we've got hilarious meetings later on tonight at 11 p.m. in the Showtime theaters, an R-rated 18 and over show with both Seth Bushwald and JC Cokerly out there to have some fun. An 18 and over comedy show. It's a showcase you do not want to miss. Now vacation's perfect for learning a new casino game where casino hosts can tell you how to play or even help you brush up on your old favorites. That's on deck.